Okay, we're now live. Hi everyone, name is Richard Nilsson, and this is a group hangout. People I invited, hopefully you join us. And it's for school. I'm a college student at Brigham Young University, Idaho, studying business management. This video is part of an assignment for Business 215, Spreadsheet Analysis for Business. Instructor Sister Cochran. And normally there are other people in my group with me. Group 4. Maybe there's somebody.
Hello.
Hello, okay. We have Lance joining us. Hi, Lance.
Hello.
Just getting started.
Okay.
But sent the invite to everybody, so we'll see who joins us. I think I might have made this a public video, so see how this goes. Lance is explaining to everybody watching the kind of what we're doing. We're group 4. This is Sister Cochran's class, Business 215, Spreadsheet Analysis for Business at Brigham Young University, Idaho. Host, name is Richard Nilsson. We're live on YouTube on my channel. Who's watching, go and comment below if you want. If not, that's fine too. Anyway, this is mini project 10. Gonna be doing like a cost analysis. How are you doing tonight, Lance?
Doing pretty good.
Perfect. My wife and son are about to come home. Give me 1 second.
All right.
Son is. Hey. It's not locking anything. What?
It's my egg surprise.
It's your egg surprise?
No.
What?
A Kinder Egg.
Kinder egg, huh?
Can you get me? Let's go.
Daddy's doing a YouTube video right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
You're recording it?
Yeah.
Did you pause it?
No, it's a live broadcast, so
Oh my gosh.
don't really know how to do that.
I'm so sorry.
That's fine. No, we're just getting started. It's my wife with our groceries. See, our son's pediatrician. He's 4, so he had a hard time opening the door. Sorry about that delay, guys. Okay. That's if you had a chance to work on the project.
I have not. I worked all day today, so I actually just got home recently. So I haven't had a chance to work on it yet.
Good times.
Why are
Okay.
you calling?
Okay. All right, do you want to be on the video? Okay. That's the top of my son's head.
This should be entertaining for all.
He's not very tall. He's 4. But not isn't too many points for professionalism. Okay. So I've done a little bit. See, I think that lets me share my screen since I'm the host.
Yep.
Yeah,
You know?
not real sure what you guys are seeing. Just coming through, Lance.
Yep, looks good.
Okay. I said basically there's a cost analysis. Let's read the instruction real quick. VP of Research and Development is analyzing his expenses for the current year and wants to see how each project did last year by month. He wants to have a summary dashboard that he can use to present the information to the CEO for each individual project and for the total of all 5 projects. He needs our help. He's provided us with actual and forecast expenses for the full year in the attached mini project 10 Excel workbook. All dollar figures are given in thousands of dollars. Here's what he needs. 1. On the original sheet, sheet 1, calculate the difference, actual versus forecast, between actual and forecast R&D expenses for each month for each project. Ace, Blazer, Hammer, Home Run, and Jackpot. And for the total amount, all 5 projects combined, this means we should have 6 total areas of information, 5 for the projects and 1 for the total. Number 2, create a table on a new worksheet that presents the monthly difference from the first worksheet by project and in total. If the difference is positive, actual expense is greater than the forecast, either have the numbers on the cell background automatically, have either the numbers or the cell background automatically turn red. If the difference is 0 or negative, actual expense is equal to or less than the forecast, have either the number or the cell background automatically turn green. Show the monthly difference for all 5 projects and also include a total difference line at the bottom of the table. 3. Same worksheet as item number 2 above. Create a graph that allows the CEO to look at the total R&D expenses, total of the 5 projects. The graph should show the monthly forecast expenses for the full year, the monthly actual expenses for the full year, and the monthly differences. Details of the graph should be as follows. Make the title of the graph total R&D expenses. This graph should show the 1, monthly forecast expenses for the full year as a line series, 2, monthly actual expenses for the full year, also as a line series, 3, monthly differences as a column series. Use data labels for the dollar amounts for the bar graph. Put markers on the line graphs. Make the title of the graph total R&D expenses. Make the chart type for the actual forecast expenses series line graphs. Make the series chart type column graph. Use data labels for the dollar amounts for the bar graph. Put markers on the line graphs. Number 4, format the chart so that the fill color is different from the rest of the graph. Number 5, make sure the axes are labeled properly and are formatted as dollars. 6. The same worksheet as items number 2 and 3 above. Create a pie graph that shows the total actual R&D expenses for the year by project. Use data labels to show the percentage each of the total R&D expenses each project represents. Make sure you have either legend or labels to be able to identify the projects in the graph. We need standards of professionalism, like always. Turn to the Dropbox. Okay, so I'm kind of done so far, and I think I might have done the math backwards, so I might need to redo that. But
Hi guys, sorry I'm a bit late.
No worries.
So with the mini project, it looks like you took the actual and minused it from the forecasted. Is that what you did?
I believe so. Yeah, that's how I did it. And looking at the instructions again, I think we're supposed to do it the other way. And that's part of the guidance is doing the calculations. I haven't had time to do the graphs or dashboard. Have you had time to work on the project yet, Matthew?
Yeah, I've been working on it a little bit.
Like it?
I've actually let me see if I can pull it up. Sorry, I have a cough too.
Oh, you're perfectly fine.
Where's Peter and Rabbit?
I could.
No. I get it both here. Like, we have a mini project due Saturday, also mini project 11. We're also supposed to do a group meeting for. So, when are you guys available for that?
Wait, which mini project is this?
Mini project 11, the one due Saturday. We need to have a group meeting for that one also.
Have we been needing to do meetings for each mini project?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nathan, I can't play right now. I'm at dinner.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to be. I'm free Friday night or Saturday night. Whatever is fine. I'm cool with whatever. Just anytime after 7 is usually best for me. 7:30 is like the best time, just because I get off work and gives me a chance to like at least eat something before working on anything.
I think Friday night would probably work the best for me too.
Okay. Is that time good for both of you guys? 7:30.
Yeah,
Yeah,
7:30 is the best. So
Okay. All right. It's my week to host, so I'll host that one also.
okay.
What happened to our fourth person? I thought we had a fourth person here.
Yeah, Ethan. I don't know. I sent him an invite.
I don't know. I've never met him, so he's never showed up in any of the meetings.
Hey, I'm gonna show you guys what I've got done so far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So this is showing my second sheet here.
Yeah. So
Does it show?
Yeah.
yeah. So it looks like we did it the same way. Like you subtracted the actual from the forecast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's how we're supposed to do it.
Yeah, I did it with I took the actual and subtracted the forecast. Do you think we need to do it reverse?
Well, like I did forecast minus actual, but looking at the instructions again, I think you did it right. I think it's supposed to be actual minus forecast.
I mean, either way, it's gonna be it's just gonna be the opposite of one another, a positive or a negative.
Yeah, but I think they want to. I think they want to know like when they forecasted wrong. They want to be able to look like, okay, like we spent way too much money, or like
I know.
we didn't spend enough money. Understanding the instructions, right?
I had a quick question. I was trying to do I was trying to get the charts ready, and I tried stacking it, but it seems like I didn't quite get it right.
Can you click on your chart, and then where's the data associated with the chart?
Blue is the difference in between. Here, I'll just pull up select data.
Yep.
So, or sorry, not that one. Change series chart type. So, I made an entirely separate graph element called forecast bar. And that's the orange bars right here. And then I had the series 1, which is the difference. So on here, it sent it lower, and up here, it cast it higher. And so I'm guessing that I didn't quite get it right, but my forecast is aligned and my actual is aligned. My whole plan is to get rid of the forecast bar once I'm able to set it up on top and then just have it go in
You
between.
should be able to do it with the right chart selected. Because what it looks like, I mean, you have a bar graph with a line graph, is what it looks
Right.
like, stacked on each other.
Well, I thought
did
that's
it
what
have-
we were supposed to do.
Oh, is that what we're supposed to do? I didn't see what chart type they wanted. I just knew that one had to be shaded, and so.
It looks like there's 4 different ones. Here, let me go back to the instructions. I'll go ahead and share my screen so you guys can see
Go
what
for
I'm
it.
looking at.
I'm gonna. Do you want me to stop sharing?
You can just keep your shared. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it won't affect
I think it lets both of us share. All right, you guys seeing this?
Yep.
Perfect.
Okay, yeah.
Let's see.
Now, as I recall,
Here we go.
um,
Okay, so if you look at number 3 in the instructions, the same worksheet as item number 2 above, create a graph that allows the CEO to look at the total R&D expenses, total of the 5 projects. The graph should show the monthly forecast expenses for the full year, the monthly actual expenses for the full year, and the monthly differences. Details of the graph should be as follows. Make the title of the graph total R&D expenses. The graph should show the 1, monthly forecast expenses for the full year as a line series. Okay, you did that. 2, monthly actual expenses for the full year, also as a line series. Guess we need 2 of those. And 3, monthly differences as a column series. All right, so we need two lines and a column. Stay labels for the dollar amounts for the bar graph. Put markers on the line graphs. Make the title of the graph total R&D expenses. Make the chart type for the actual and forecast expenses series line graphs. Make the different series chart type a column graph. Use the data labels for the dollar amounts for the bar graph. Put markers on the line graphs.
Yeah, so it looks like you did it right.
Wait. I'll go ahead and stop sharing.
Yeah. So it looks like you did it right.
So we need So we need 2 line graphs and 1 column graph.
yeah, if I recall correctly,
The 2 line graphs need to have markers.
yeah, if I recall correctly, what they did to, make the differences appear on the actual graph is they first had like some forecast bar underneath. Then they put on the difference to go in between the two, and then eliminated the forecast bar as no color. And that's what I tried doing here, but because of these negatives down on the January, February, and March column, or in November's case, they went down below.
So it looks like to me like I don't know if you guys can see my cursor. Again.
Right now we're seeing your.
Yeah, we won't be able to see your cursor if you're looking at his screen trying to point to it.
Okay. So yeah, it looks right because you did your forecast in orange, right?
Right.
Okay. So and then it looks like the first quarter, like they forecasted too high, but like for whatever reason, all those months, like the actual numbers were less than the forecast.
Right.
And so it looks like you did right to me.
Well, I know. Apparently, I've got it with just about everyone except for January, February, March, and November. So I may just have to kind of tinker with it a little bit and just see what I missed. I'm wondering if we try like this box and whisker plot. Here, let me try that.
I'm having a hard time hearing you, Matthew. There's a lot of static.
wonder if this is a problem with my mic.
It sounds like it's your mic.
Yeah.
It may be.
As the host, that's all I really had for you guys, unless you have something to add.
I can't think of anything.
Yeah, I don't have anything to really much add. But it seems like you're in the right direction for it and everything like that. It seems pretty self-explanatory after that.
And like the instructions seem really cut and dry too. Okay, just tipping. I'm not sure what the problem with my mic is. That's no problem, Matthew.
I'm still trying to. Maybe it's just my computer slow. I'm gonna try just talking a little bit louder. See if that helps.
Yeah. Okay, you're coming through a little bit clearer now.
I wonder if it's just
Yeah,
kind of a
so-
signal thing.
All right, if you guys are both okay, I'll go ahead and stop the broadcast, and then I'll post the video to YouTube, send you the link so you can
Okay.
turn it
sounds
in,
good.
Okay, sounds good.
and then see you guys Friday at 7:30 p.m. Mountain Time,
Okay.
and Cochran, since you're watching, with a quick message to you that I would like to talk about options for my grade. You get a chance.
Right.
So let me know what the best to get hold of you is. If you want to comment on this video, to email my school email or any of my other 2 emails, richnielsen9@hotmail.com or richn632@gmail.com.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, guys.
All right, we'll see you. Bye.